Okay, going to the next step. This what? What?
What's that, John?
That's the front of the front end loader. See, I took it off.
What is it?
I'm working on the tractor.
What did I see the engine?
Well, you can see the engine. Hold on, hold on. Now, what's the problem?
A picture at me?
I got a picture at you just in your diaper. How come you don't have your clothes on? Anyway, so what I was going to say before I was interrupted is yesterday we had talked about just the how I'd pulled this off. I found out the red band that was up here, if I took it off, I could get access to all the little screws that hold these down and make it a little easier. So there's like 2 bolts on each side that hold this band, and one here in the center has to reach in from under there. But anyway, so I got the thing clipped in here. This is a brown tap, which is actually a little bit big. Watch out over there. Don't knock any of the stuff loose. You stay off.
I want to.
You stay off for a minute, okay? Stay off for a minute, because I got to move some stuff or you're going to end up losing it all over the place. So anyway, it was brown. I didn't have a blue, so I turned the clip around inside, clipped into it a little bit larger, and it does send power down. So I'm going to come down through here, and then I got a fuse. And so we're going to tie that right along in here somewhere so I can get to the fuse at any time. So that's where we're going now. So I'm going to start putting this back together, putting this dash top and the other panels back on there. I'm going to put a little thing here just in case I don't want that wire rubbing on that. So I got a little thing I might put on there. Anyway, we shall take it from there on the next little segment here. Okay. All right, I didn't film everything here, but I'm going to kind of go over some stuff. I've got it to where I've got the wiring hooked up. It's got it temporarily tied. I'm going to get some spiral wire loom. I thought I had some, but I couldn't find it, so I picked up some and make it a little bit neater. We kind of go over what I've got so far. I'm fixing to put the front end loader back on too, and we'll take a little look there and see what we got. But anyway, let me go ahead and grab the camera. All right, I don't know if you can see it here, but I got the wire coming out around under here. Fuse is tied off here, and it branches into these that will plug into the cameras, power the cameras. And right now I've got the other one that goes up to the deal with the plugs for the video right here. Eventually all this will get wire loomed up, tied up real good when I mount that camera, mount the monitor. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and put the front end loader on, kind of get all this tied back up a little bit better. And then I'm going to see how it looks with the camera out there. I've just got it tie wrapped on right now. So we'll see how that works. So we'll stop the video, and then after I get the front end loader on and probably the forks on, we'll see if we can, even though I won't have the monitor mounted, I'm going to try to set it to where I can see it and maybe film it so you can see what it's going to see out there. Yep, I get in, I got this temporarily setting here. I'll get in the barn, get in the shade a little bit here, and then I'll see if the camera on the tractor rollover bar is giving you a view of the monitor. Alright, I'm holding my phone here to kind of look at the and now what we're going to do is we're going to head in and I'm going to see going slow. Yeah. There we go. Like I said, I'll have to do a little adjusting, moving cameras around to where I get where I want, but the concept is I want to try to see down there to the edge of the board. Looks like I can do it. I'm thinking a little getting used to. Then I'm also going to do some looking out the back. But, I mean, you know, if you look over the hood, you don't see anything. You look down there, I don't know how good you can see that. We've also got this back camera looking, so we'll just see what goes on there. Now, the big test. If I turn the key off, it ought to shut down. And it did. I turn the key back on, and there it comes. The power's back up by itself, so must have done something right today. All right, so the next thing on the project list is to build a mount. And I'll decide whether I want to build a mount that goes here, because I'm not going to use that pedestal one, or whether I want to build a mount that's going to go over here off this arm. The way I've got it set up with the wiring, it can work either way. And then, like I said, I've got extra line there if I want to relocate that camera to a different spot and stuff. So we'll just see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, call it quits for today. Call it quits for today. It's hot out here. Ready to go in. Thanks for watching, everybody. No, I'm not looking in the camera, but thanks for watching. I'm sweating my butt off and stuff. So, like I said, stay tuned for the rest of them. I'm going to get some more videos going. All right, later.